Good day and welcome to another WizzWatch. This is your host Marlin Rolle. Today is Wednesday, August 26, 2009, and I have a few stocks to talk to you about today for Thursday. And the first stock out of the gate is stock symbol GGC. That's Georgia Gulf Corp, which trades on the New York Stock Exchange. And if you have a close look at this chart in the volume area, you will notice that the stock did move to the upside today, but on lighter than average volume of about 422,000, and the average daily volume for the stock is basically 441,000. So we need to see heavier than average volume coming to the price of the stock, and what we are looking for is a price break of the pivot point between $35.05 to $35.10. And as for now, we are below our 5-day moving average as well as our 10-day moving average at $32.96. So we need to see a price break of that pivot point between $35.05 to $35.10 in order to lift this stock a lot higher. But we did end the day trading at about $31.72 of $2.11, or 7.13% on the upside. So please keep Georgia Gulf Corp, stock symbol GGC, on your watch list for a possible price move to the upside in trading on Thursday. Next is stock symbol SBSA, that's Spanish Broadcasting Systems Incorporated. And if you have a look at this chart, basically the stock ended the day with heavier than average volume of about 651,000. The average daily volume was 236,000. So the stock did move with a heavier than average volume to the upside, as well as it ended the day with a big Marabuzu candle, and we could see a 50% retracement on this stock to about around 32 cents, but we are looking for a price break of the pivot point right here between 42 cents and 47 cents in order to lift the stock higher. SBSA, Spanish Broadcasting, ended the day trading at 38 cents, up 8 cents, or 29.97% on the upside. So please keep Spanish Broadcasting on your watch list for a price move above the pivot point between 42 cents to 47 cents in order to take this stock to the upside in trading on Thursday. Next on the list for today is stock symbol TSTR, that's TSTR Corp, which trades on the NASDAQ. And if you have a close look at this chart, the stock is basically moving in a sideways consolidation between about $1.18 to $1.46 for the past few weeks. And what we are looking for is a break of the pivot point right here between $1.50 to $1.55 in order to take the stock a lot higher. And we did get heavier than average volume coming into the stock today. The average daily volume for TSTR is 1.27 million, but we got a heavier than average volume of 5.17 million, and tomorrow we need to see heavier than average volume coming to the price of the stock again in order to take it a lot higher and break above the pivot point between $1.50 to $1.55. And the stock ended the day trading at $1.46, up 24 cents, or 19.67% on the upside. So like I mentioned, please keep TSTR on your watch list for a price break of the pivot point between $1.50 to $1.55. Next is stock symbol NYMX, that's NYMX Pharmaceutical Corp, which trades on the NASDAQ. And if you have a close look at this chart, right here in the volume area, the average daily volume for the stock is basically 245,000, and the stock ended the day trading with heavier than average volume of about 2.49 million. And what we are looking for is basically a price break of the pivot point right here between $5.25 to $5.30 in order to move the stock a lot higher. And NYMX Pharmaceutical, stock symbol NYMX, ended the day trading at $5.18, up 89 cents, or 20.75%. So please keep a close watch on the stock to break above the pivot point between $5.25 to $5.30 in order to move the stock a lot higher. Next is stock symbol GSPG, that's Gold Spring Incorporated, which trades on the OTC bulletin board. And if you have a close look in the volume area, you will notice that we did end the day with heavier than average volume coming into the price of the stock. And the average daily volume for GSPG is 7.45 million, and the stock ended the day trading with volume of about 12.7 million. And what we are looking for is a price break of the pivot point right here between 0.0082 to 0.0085, and the stock ended the day today crossing above its 5-day and 10-day moving average, and the 50-day is at 0.0087 cents. So please keep GSPG, that's Gold Spring Incorporated, on your watch list for a possible price moves to the upside in trading on Thursday. Last but not least, the stock symbol CEGE, that's Cell Genesis, which trades on the NASDAQ. And if you have a close look at this chart right here in the volume area, you notice that the stock did end the day with lighter than average volume of about 3.397 million, and the average daily volume is about 3.5 million. So we need to see heavier than average volume coming to the price of the stock. And also, we need to see a price break of the pivot point right here between 35 cents and 40 cents in order for the stock to move a lot higher. But we are below our 5 and 10-day moving averages between 32 and 33 cents. So we need to see a move to the upside above the 5 and 10-day moving average, as well as a break of the pivot point between 35 cents to 40 cents. And the stock did end the day trading at about 31 cents, up 2 cents, or 8.62% on the upside. And please don't forget to check out our weekly newsletter at WizzWatch.blogspot.com. Thank you very much for listening. Have a great day and happy trading.